If you're planning to raise funds but not sure if you're actually ready, this is for you. Hi and welcome back to Upgrowth's YouTube channel. At Upgrowth, we have built this free tool to help founders evaluate how investable their startup really is before they're going to pitch to VCs. Let's break it down. Our tool, Fundraising Readiness Calculator, checks your startup across 8 critical dimensions investors care about. First is the revenue growth. So, are you making money yet? If you're pre revenue, if you're under 10% MOM, 20%, 10 to 20%, just click on whichever is applicable. Then you hit the MRR. Now, MRR is the monthly recurring revenue. Let's say it is between 1 to 5 lakh. And then the product market fit, right? Simple. Do people actually want your product? If there is no evidence, it means users aren't consistently sticking or paying yet. So user feedback must be there, or either the organic growth, either a strong NPS, low churn. So let's say I have user feedback with me. Then fourth comes the unit economics. LTV ratio, CAC. Now, this sounds complex, right? But it's simple. LTV is your lifetime value, so how much a customer pays you over time, and CAC is customer execution cost, so how much you spend to get them. So, if you're not measuring this, you don't know if you're making or losing money per customer. So, let's say it's this 3 is to 1, and then the team. A solo founder is a risk for investors, usually. So they usually prefer very strong complementary teams, but you select however is applicable for you. Let's say strong team plus hires. Then the market size, whether the market is too niche or there is a growth potential looks limited. So let's say 500 to 5,000 crore. Then the MOAT. Now this is your competitive advantage. What stops others from copying you? So no moat is easy to replace. Let's say first mover, data room. Now, this is basically your startup's documentation, financials, metrics, legal documents, all ready for investors' review. So if it is not prepared, you're not ready for due diligence. So, let's say I have a basic deck, I have financials. So, once you fill up all the details, now you click on calculate score. Based on all of this, the tools gives you a readiness score. So the readiness score is 47%, which means it needs work. It is somewhere there, but it still needs work. There are significant gaps built for 3 to 6 months before fundraising. So use this tool to identify gaps, fix them one by one, and only then go out to raise. Trust me, you'll see a lot of it will save you from a lot of rejections. Link I'll attach in the description, so do check it out. Also, follow upgrowth.in's account and check the calculator page for more such tools.